What's going on, everybody? Welcome back. I hope you guys had a wonderful Thanksgiving. Mine was pretty small, but it actually was pretty good this year, so hopefully you guys were safe and had a good time. Today I'm super excited for this install. We've been waiting for this install for about 2 months after I had purchased it, and yeah, let me just show you guys what it is already. We finally got the carbon fiber steering wheel. Off like first review, pulling it out of the box, hefty, like way more weight than your original steering wheel. That's as much as I can say. We did go with the blue stitching. I was always curious as to how like they get it on and how but it looks like they just kind of like wrap it themselves around like maybe like an original wheel or something. But all in all, really freaking good, a lot better. So if you guys were thinking about doing this, I definitely would look into it. I'll leave where I got mine in the description below, but remind you, like, there's many places for you guys to go and purchase one, or for them to like make you one like on the spot. So don't just go off of my place. You can go off of like other places that you guys might find or see on Instagram. Just make sure they're reliable places. But with that being said, let's go ahead and jump right into it. All right, y'all, so first things first, you're gonna wanna unplug the battery. You don't want the airbag to go off while you're trying to do it. That'd be pretty funny, but also pretty sad at the same time. So and then let's hop up in here. Okay, so now we gotta take off this tab right here. We also gotta take off the tab right here. That's where the cruise control is. So that's like first thing to start taking off the wheel. So let's go and get like some type of flathead and pull those off. All right, so we gotta get that bolt right there. And on the other side, we gotta get that bolt right there. All right, y'all, so got these loose. Airbag's about to be pulled off right now, but I had to run to Home Depot to get these Torx bit. All right, so I didn't have these. Out of like this whole toolbox, I didn't have none of these. Okay, so I was over here trying to use all of these and trying to use Allen wrenches for that screw, but you don't want to do that. So if you guys need a size, I pulled one side off with a T30 and then the right hand side with the T27. Not too sure why I had to do that, but whatever, it worked and it came off, so I'm happy about that. So let's go ahead and pull this off. I want to be careful. Next thing you know, BOW! Explode. But no, we cut off the electricity, so we're good. All right, so we're gonna want to unplug this and that one. We can leave this one over here on, and then we're gonna have to pull off these airbag tabs right here from the back. So let's go ahead and do that. Let me put you guys down for a second. All right, y'all, so we got the tabs off right here. Make sure when you guys are taking them off that you're taking a flathead and pulling this yellow part up a little bit on both sides, and then just kind of gently pull it out. They should come out easily. And then right now we got to take off the control tabs right here and release these wires that they're being held by a tab under the control panel. So after that, we'll take off this part, which is also connected to the airbag, and then I'll show you guys what's next after that. So let's go ahead and remove these and take off these wires. So all right, guys, we got the airbag off now. Control tabs are hanging off right there. I'm gonna set this to the side over here, and now we need to take this off right here. Alright, y'all, so now that we got the original off, put it right next to the one she told you not to worry about. But yeah, so I gotta take off this plastic part right here, which is probably just these two screws, and then just kind of pulling it off. But first I'm going to take off the cruise control, take off these two bolts, and then move it this way. And then when you put it in, make sure you put it in that way. And then we got to take off the paddle shifters. Pretty simple. They got two bolts right here, two bolts right here, and I believe they're also labeled. I don't know if you guys can see that, but it says R for right, L for left, so can't mess that up. And it's literally just you take that off, turn it over, and you place it right there. But like I said, I gotta take off the backing of this plastic too, just to put it over here. So let's go ahead and take off the electronics and transfer them. Alright, you guys, so I got it all back on to the new wheel. Man, I'm so excited to put it on. Just the size difference, yo, like size difference. Obviously this is round right here, this is more like squared away, more like in what you would see like in a race car, and then it has more definition right here in this over, rather than it just kind of going straight round like this. So that's one of the design differences, and obviously, you know, the nice, you know, wrapped leather and the carbon fiber, obviously that's the big difference, and the thickness of it and the weight. So this is super light, this chunky boy. But all right, so now that we got the electronics back on, let's throw it back in the car and put on the airbag, and we should be good to go. So all right, y'all, so really quickly, just before I literally put it right back to literally everything that you took off, just do it in reverse, and you'll see how easy it is, really. So we got it back in, got these back in here, clicked everything back in. Make sure when you guys are putting these back down, back in here, that these yellow tabs right here are down, because that's what locks this together. And yeah, that's basically it. So literally all I gotta do is, and then just screw these back, and we're good to go. Let me put those in real quick. All right, boys and girls, the finished product. Ooh, that thick ass grip right there, boy. Yo, I can't wait to drive with this, man. I also got something else that I wanted to put on in today's episode. So my boy Jose, also known as Shamsta on Instagram, I'll link his information in the description below, but he made me some you know, little decal vinyls to throw on my car. So, you know, got my YouTube and then got my Instagram right here. So I really haven't like been able to figure out where I really want it to go on here. There's a bunch, I've seen a bunch of people put like their stuff in different places that I thought was dope, but I kind of wanted to be a little bit unique and throw mine in somewhere that people don't normally. So I was thinking of like right here, and then I was also thinking about maybe like over here or something like that. But before I throw it on there, I gotta give it a wash anyways, 'cause it's pretty dirty and I want it to stick right. So let's go ahead and wash it up really fast, and then try to find out where we're gonna place it. So let's go ahead and do that. Actually, let's do something like this. Alright, that's better. Now it's all clean. Let's go ahead and find places for these stickers, or for these vinyls, sorry. Alright, y'all, so I found one spot. right here. I already threw it on. Just let me put it on there a couple more times. Yeah, boy. Sheesh. If you're not following me on Instagram, make sure you go and do that after this video or right now. Please, pretty please. Now let's figure out where we're going to put this one. Alright, you guys, so found a spot for it right here on my door. So you know it's me. I'm not too sure if I'm gonna keep it there for very long. I just wanted to put it on, see how it looks. Especially because, you know, the homie made it for me. This one definitely is not bad, in a bad spot. I like where that one's at. Let me know if you guys like that. Alright, you guys, so it's trickling down to the end of this episode. I really hope you guys enjoyed this install. I definitely know that I'm going to enjoy this new steering wheel. Like I said, you guys can find a whole bunch of different people who make them on the fly or to order. So don't just go off of the one in my description, but you definitely can. Also, big shout out to Jose. Thank you for making me these vinyls, man. I really, really appreciate it. I'll list his Instagram in the description below. He makes stickers, vinyls, banners, anything you guys really need of that sort, he could do it for you guys. So hit him up if you guys need any of that. Also, so 2021, I have a couple more plans for this car, like just kind of getting ready for it. It's about to be Christmas pretty soon, you guys, and I think I have maybe 1 or 2 more things to do for this year. So I want to know if you guys can get an idea of what you guys think it might be, or I want to know what you guys want me to do. So if you guys want to just go ahead and leave in a comment down below, really appreciate that, and I'm curious. So if you guys are new to the channel, make sure you guys subscribe if you guys like what you see. Please, please, please like and comment down below. It truly helps me out, you guys. And don't forget, live long and prosper, and I'll see you guys in the next one. Later.